In the heart of Michigan, amidst the verdant fields of Dearborn, a rebellious genius emerged. Henry Ford, born of the toil of the land, held within him a fervent passion for machines and an unyielding curiosity. From early days, his destiny was woven into the gears of time. Immersed in the art of mechanics, Ford nurtured a daring dream to put the world on four wheels. In 1896, that dream took form with a fiery pulse in the quadricycle, a creature of metal and engine. Yet his true odyssey began in 1903, when with courage and determination, he founded the Ford Motor Company. 1913 marked the dawn of a new era, the birth of the moving assembly line. Here, amid the clanging of machines and the crescendo of progress, arose the glorious Model T, an automobile that was not merely a gleaming piece of metal but an icon of freedom, a slice of the future accessible to all. Henry Ford was not just an inventor but a visionary of social good. In 1914, he shook the foundations of the industrial world by offering a wage that challenged the norms of the time, bestowing upon his workers not just compensation but hope, a new perspective on life. His visionary spirit knew no bounds. His mind flowed like a rushing river, transforming the concept of mass production into a symphony of efficiency and standardization. His ideas didn't halt at automobiles but were an anthem to innovation, resource well utilized, and sustainable progress. But amidst triumph, a shadow crept upon his legendary path. Criticisms and controversies swirled around his political opinions, connections to the world that sometimes proved convoluted and unhappy. 1947 brought the end of an epoch. Henry Ford passed away in Dearborn, yet his spirit remained etched in the veins of the automotive industry and beyond. His legacy is a lingering echo, a lesson in ambition, courage, and innovation that continues to guide the path of successive generations.